Okay, y'all, I don't have a fancy stand or anything, but I'm going to do my best to show you how I make these little shark tooth pendants. Starting with a piece of wire, approximately 5 inches. Try to pinch the middle of that wire. And I'm going to create a bale by giving it a twist around once each direction, so it creates that kind of a figure there. I'm going to tighten that up here. Pull the baler out, center it back in there, tighten your wires up, and give your wires about, depending on what you're doing with it, I usually give it 7 to 9 twists because I'm going to be putting a bead on there. Let's see, we're just going to get a basic little wooden bead for this example. Take the wooden bead, drop it there onto the piece, make sure the bale keeps it on there. Should have just enough wire exposed there for your final twists once you get your tooth on. Let's pick this nice little lemon here. So we're going to try to do our best to squeeze that lemon right there in the middle. Cross it, pull the wire up, give it a few twists around the center post. And then you'll use your nips to cut any excess pieces of wire that might have been hanging out. So now you're left with the other side of your wire coming across, your tooth pinched in the middle, and your first wire set. I'm going to grab that with some flat angled pliers. Grab the end of that wire, bring it across the tooth, up around your post, and give it a couple more twists around. And that'll expose your little doodad there. And that's what you're going to be trimming off the excess on with your nips. Make sure everything's tight with your flat nose pliers. Just don't hurt your tooth or scratch your tooth there, and you'll be fine. And that's what it should look like when you're finished. You should have a nice bale there for your string. Nice and tight wire. Tooth nice and tight. And there you have it, folks. And that's what they'll look like when they're finished. Hope you've enjoyed watching. Thanks again. I'm Patrick with Fossil Fanatics. Keep on digging, my fossil friends.